Hello YouTube, welcome to Baldy Make Stuff, the channel for construction kit makers everywhere. Now then, Colin Furze. If you're watching this video, there's a pretty good chance you've heard of Mr. Furze, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time introducing him. If by any mischance you haven't seen his channel, then I'll stick it on the screen somewhere, go and find it, go and take a look at his, and because his videos are a lot better than mine, so go and do some of that. Anyway, what Mr. Furze is famous for is several weird and wonderful inventions, and one of those is this, the hoverbike. Man built this in his shed, a heavier than air machine that he floated around on his grass with, and it's a very famous video of his. It's his most popular video with over 50 million views at the moment, and well, you know, if I can get anything like that with this one, I'll be more than happy. Oh, and by the way, Colin's concession to safety precautions during his videos is that he wears a safety tie, so in honour of that, here we are, in the colours of the world's best football team, Bradford City FC. In tribute to Mr. Furze, I decided it was time that the world saw the first Meccano hoverbike, and this is it. See, it's hopefully reasonably in proportion with the picture that I got, and, you know, reasonably follows it. You've got the two big discs here. You've got the motors here and here, and if we flick this switch here, we've got some motor action going on. Just with that one, I didn't want to have to put two battery packs to power that one up as well, because this is quite bulky already and didn't want another one on there. You'll shortly see this floating around the back of my garden to show how well it works. But clearly, if you're going to have a hoverbike, a Colin Furze hoverbike, then you need to have a Colin Furze as well. So, here we are. You can tell it's Colin because of two things. Firstly, the safety tie, matching, and also the slightly startled expression on his face, which is fairly typical of Colin, I think. And there we are. We're going to put him on the bike, take it for a spin.